Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to translate from English to Indonesian. And the first thing we should do is we have to input the formula. We're going to input the formula to the cell. So just tap on the cell and make sure that you pay attention to this formula. Okay, we have to input aku and Google Translate. And choose the text that you want to translate, and the text is in B3 cell. So I'm just going to click on B3 cell and click comma and input the language code and EN for English and double quotes and IM for Indonesian like this, and click on enter. All right, and we can do autofill. Okay guys, and that's how we can translate in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.